how to make an album on SoundCloud mobile. So if you want to make an album of your SoundCloud of your songs, you will need to categorize it first into a playlist. And the way to do that, let me go ahead to my library at the below, right? And let's go ahead and click the avatar icon at the top, right? Okay, and as you can see, this is my latest tracks. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three dots next to the song, and just go ahead and click the three dots, and from there you're gonna be able to add it to your playlist. And now just create a playlist or add it to existed playlist. Okay, but if you want to make an album on your favorite singer, okay, you will just go ahead to your library again at the below, right, and go ahead to albums, and from there you're gonna be able to search for albums that you liked or created, and it will be showing up right here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click search for album, and I'm gonna just type whatever. Let me just tap, let's say for example, and as you can see right here, I can add whatever song that I want into my favorite album, and it will be available in my album. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.